believe the president is dangerous and should not hold office one day long.
This man is deadly to our democracy and to our people.
Kublai pikinong ped baro bat kumju iki subscriber. Tementa kindiat nginya page ka kubuar ka balami na po kari Amerika. Lai thu ba menen kasngi palai ka badai ka hinyo tarik ubana Januari usna marjar huway. U Vice President jangka ri Amerika. U Mike Pence ubadai na kasang Republic. Bado badai ka ju kasang ba Donald Trump. Ula persya ya Donald Trump. Balaang ba kanega jing persya jo une u Vice President ya Donald Trump kadai hadin ba u Donald Trump. Ulapen kelumar hapo capital hang tay hapo ka nong ba Washington DC ka badan hapo Amerika. Balaang ru ba une Vice President simla ko ngo su bad simla shani asu yo Donald Trump namar kini ke jingjia ba une Vice President ru ula menjor ba ka US Congress ba ka shuki president menta kala dai ka por ban yai no Siya u Joe Biden. Balaang ru ba une u Vice President u Mike Pence lembat ka US House Speaker kabadai ka Nancy Pelosi kila condemn yo Donald Trump ba bet lane long u Presiden u babiang ban sensyari kari Amerika bat kumta kineki arngut kila rais nan bat kila ang senan menen kasipalay ba ka Shuki Presiden menta kala day jong u Joe Biden.
Appointed to vote for President of the United States is 538. Within that whole number, a majority is 270. The votes for President of the United States are as follows. Joseph R. Biden, Jr. of the state of Delaware has received 306 votes. Donald J. Trump of the state of Florida has received 232 votes. The purpose of the joint session having concluded, pursuant to Senate Concurrent Resolution 1, 117th Congress, the Chair declares the joint session dissolved.
Te tangkini kubon menta ka janmit insay siyam biyang padya pi baro hakaway ka video ka ban sawan.